Hello, friends. How are you? I hope you all are fine, doing well, and enjoying their life. And welcome to my YouTube channel, Fashion Design. Today, viewers, polish up gabbers and beautiful peoples enjoying their life. And welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope so, guys. Will be in best condition of health, doing well, and enjoying their life. Today, viewers, all designs are so beautiful, stylish, and amazing design ideas for ladies, women, and bridals. Trendy Kangan design ideas and beautiful, pretty good looking, different colors and different design and different stylish looks design ideas. I must suggest you to watch then my videos and please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more information and updates and notes and ideas. I must suggest till then my videos. Dear friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section, and friends, to support me by sharing my videos with your family, friends, and your relatives. Thanks for watching my videos. Keep visiting my channel for more information and updates and news and ideas. So goodbye viewers. See you soon with the new collection of trending designs 2020-24.